Hello and welcome to today's Stock Watch. So the stock that most investors and traders alike have been talking about in the last 24 hours is Tesla, due to the fact that their share price jumped by 13% in the last session. And this is because of the inclusion into the S&P 500 index, which will take place on the 21st of December. So they're finally in the S&P. They were rebuffed in September when the index committee did not actually accept them into the S&P. So the index committee themselves, they basically look at, they generally determine the account principles of the stock that's going into the S&P. So they look at quantitative factors, qualitative measures as well. So at the time they got rebuffed, but now they've been accepted. So we can see already that due to the fact of the large stock jump already, that they're going to probably be one of the top 10 valuable companies in the S&P come December. So let's take a look and see how this is going to be beneficial for both the S&P and Tesla. So at the moment I've got Tesla on the chart. So if I just look at what we've seen this year alone, so record highs in September, we had the stock split at the time, which obviously meant that there was a lower market share and prices went down. And now we're looking to see if it can recuperate what it has lost in the last few months. So it is on a very steady angle at the moment. We're looking at the moment, well, I'm looking at the moment at this particular resistance, this triple top that I've seen since the stock split, well, the attempted recovery. We've had a very choppy market up until that point, and then we've had this 13% jump in the last session up until this other resistance line. So will we get to record highs again? It's difficult to say in the next few sessions. I'm probably going to be looking to see if it's going to go past this line, but if not, then I'll be looking at the top border of the Ichimoku cloud as a first support line. So that would be roughly about the 426, probably I would say 430, because there's a nice confluence zone as well between the convergence and baseline, and then we'll be looking at this lower border of the Ichimoku cloud. But let me bring it down to intraday just to get a bit more perspective. So I'm going to leave those levels in there, and we can see now there's a very nice sideways pattern on Tesla, and you know, we're looking to see if momentum is going to exhaust at any point. We've got a slight divergence at the moment, which could bring prices a little bit further down onto the long-term support levels that I noted on the daily chart. So if prices can move down to this, then we're going to be trading between the basic conversion. We're going to be probably going towards the engulfment of the cloud as well, which will bring prices even further down. However, if it does break this, you know, $462 barrier, then we could possibly move up to the record highs that we've seen previously, up to $500. So what I'll be looking at in the next few sessions, more news to come out of Tesla, maybe a statement from Elon Musk as well to see what his future plans are, if there's going to be any more electrical manufacturing going on, what countries are going to be manufacturing these cars or these vehicles in general. Obviously, Joe Biden is looking to get into the White House now. It's most probably a certainty since Donald Trump has pretty much handed his defeat in. With the news from Pennsylvania today as well. So we're looking to see that car manufacturing plants will open back up in China again. It'll be a lot easier to be able to manufacture these cars in different countries, such as China itself, after the manufacturing wars that we've seen with Donald Trump. So this is something to look out for in the next month or so as we creep up to the 21st of December to see if any more potential upside can be done in Tesla to bring it up to $500. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead. Bye for now.